Hello, I'm Siyona Bose, and welcome to my channel, Learning Balanced Life. And today I'm going to teach you how to find quick square roots of perfect squares, which are very huge. But before I begin, I have a small request. Please watch this video till the end, because it may be useful for everyone. Now we can begin. We need to find the square root of 999, 00025. Now, I'm going to do the working over here, hence I just drew a line. We need to separate these two in two blocks. First block is we need to find out this part, and then we focus on the 25. First, we take care of the 999 and 000. 999, 000 is the product of two consecutive natural numbers. They are 999 into 1000. So, in square roots, we take the smaller number, 999. And we find the square root of 25, which everyone knows is 5. Those two are joined to get 995, which is the square root of 999, 00025. 995. Now, we will find the square root of 101, 0025. Here also, we need to divide this number into separate blocks. 25, obviously, we are going to take care of it later. Now we're going to take care of 10100. 10100 is the product of two consecutive natural numbers. They are 101 into 100. We take the smaller 100. We write it down here. And we need to find the square root of 25. 5. We concatenate or attach it, and we get 1005. The square root of 1010025 is 1005. Now, we will find the square root of 164025. Now, finding the square root of this is having a different method, not like the ones we did here. This has a separate method, and the one which we are going to do here, the last one, is also using the same method. And please recall the factorization video, because we are going to use that theory over here. Let us see. Here also, we need to separate out two blocks in this number. One is 1640 and one is the 25, which is there in all of the numbers. Now, 1640 has to be located between two consecutive perfect squared numbers. The two consecutive perfect squared numbers are 40 squared, which is 1600, less than 1640, less than 41 squared, 1681. The result of 41 squared is 1681. So, in square roots, we take the smaller number, 40. And as always, we find the square root of 25, which is 5. 405. We attach the 5 to the 40 to get 405, 405. The square root of 164025 is 405. We can move on to do our last square root, which is square root of 75625. Here also, we divide the number into two separate blocks, 756 and 25. Obviously, we take care of the 25 later on. Now, first, 756. We need to locate 756 between two consecutive perfect squared numbers. Squared. 27 squared less than 756 less than 28 squared. And in square roots, you know we take the smaller number, 27. And now we take care of 25 square root, which is 5. We attach that to get 275. The square root of 75625 is 275. Hope you like this episode, and please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you. In the next blog, we will discuss on Tidbits of Mathematics, Episode 2, which is quick squares of two-digit numbers. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell button.